Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of TANIUM Institute of Spoken English Language. I am Himanshu Paliwal here. I hope you all are doing perfectly, fantabulously, absolutely fine, guys. Guys, today we have chosen a very brilliant topic, that is, should be a military training in schools or not. We have two brilliant orator between us. One side Mr. Ashutosh is here, another side Mr. Mayank is here. They both will exchange their point. They both will ask question to each. So I request to our viewers, if you have any question, feedback, suggestion, anything else, you must write in a comment section. We will try to answer you as soon as possible. So who is going to initiate?
Right.
Yeah, okay, so directly going from this side.
Hello, I am Ashutosh. I am favoring military training should start in school. According to my point of view, if we start military training in school, so it develops discipline. It also helps the student to get that much physical fit so it can defend themselves. Indirectly, it also build up your confidence and help you to for in certain situation in further life. In certain situation, if your country wants in a war, then you are capable enough to have you in a war.
Nice points. Any question, Mr.?
Yes, I would like to ask a handful of questions. The first question I would like to ask is no one is ready to participate in defense situation exactly. There are parents who would like their children should become a doctor or engineer. So it is not necessary that children should be required military training.
Okay,
So what do you think?
So ultimately his question is that every student has the different perspective regarding to their future. So what do you think that if it will be compulsory or it should be in schools, then many of students will not like it. What do you think?
Sir, we are not forcing them to join military. We are just giving them training so it can help in their future. They are physically fit, they get well disciplined. We are not forcing them to join such a defense task.
So if we are students a chance to join the military school, so what should be the age requirements?
Sir, I think 10-year-old is enough to have the military training.
But if a student in the teenager, it might have different option in his mind. Like students may get distracted from also and may indulge in wrong activities also by this education also.
No, it do not distract them. It actually make them capable enough to that what they have to do. It actually enhance their knowledge.
Okay. So as you know, in India, there is still not women's required in the defense system. So if we are incorporating military schools, so then there will be no women's in the military school. So what do you think about this?
Sir, if we give them girls in a school, if we give the military training, then it is beneficial for them. They can get self defense courses at the initial age, so they are more safer than.
But still in India, the girls are not allowed in some part of defenses. So if the military schools open, then it will only for boys. And in co-ed education, we can learn to develop our confidence better by seeing other fellow mates as females also.
Sir, recently Supreme Court has given right to the girl that they can apply for the NDA. So now the government is trying to give the girls opportunity to join the defense.
Okay, wait. So you are opposing this motion now? Yes. One question, straightforward question to you, that military training doesn't mean that you will get the weapons and you will have such type of training that you will fight in the we can say in war.
Yes.
It is such type of self-defense. Why you are not considering it as a self-defense, that each and everyone will get the self-defense, especially women also will get the self-defense by the military training? What's your perspective?
Yeah, it is self-defense is good, but every person is not capable of doing all kind of activities, and everyone has genetic orders in a different ways.
Okay, so you are saying that every student is not for the military.
Yes.
Every student is not for the doctor. So each and every one have different genre, different future. Okay. So nice points, nice questions you mentioned, and very nicely answer given by you. So if I conclude this topic, yeah, military training should be in schools. Why? Because for the self defense. Okay, but those who are not interested in the military, just like they are physically disabled, they don't want to even go to military, then it should be an optional. Okay, either those who want to go in a military or they want to just serve for the country, yeah, they are most welcome. But those who have a different future, just like somehow they want to become IIT in MBBS, they want to do MBBS, they want to be clear UPSC, so they have a different genre. So if our viewers have any question from Ashutosh and Mayank, so ask to them, they will try to give you answer in the comment section. And if you want to discuss with us, then you can join our online GD classes. And I request to everyone that make group of 2 people, either it's your family member, either it's your friend, make them group of 2 or 3 people, try to discuss. We have uploaded too many GD videos. Even if you want us to discuss, then suggest topic, we will try to discuss in our YouTube videos. We have taken too many videos, just like reservation, hostel life versus room life. We have already made this type of videos because our viewers demanded it. So ultimately it was a healthy discussion, productive points came from both the side. Thank you so much guys, keep learning, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.